Today I'm going to be tasting Sprecher Orange Dream Craft Soda. Sprecher Brewery is a brewery in Glendale, Wisconsin. It was founded in 1985 in Milwaukee by Randall Sprecher and is Milwaukee's first craft brewery since Prohibition. Sprecher produces an assortment of beers, flavored malt beverages, and craft sodas. Information I got from Wikipedia. So, I love orange cream sodas. So, let's see how this is made with honey. It goes down pretty easy, pretty smooth, but to me, it kind of tastes a little watered down. Still got a good flavor, though. Could use more carbonation. Yeah, I'd say about a 6.5 out of 10.